promise. There's no denying, this is gonna be the biggest season yet. Wicked Tuna, coming soon on the National Geographic Channel.
So what I want to do is I want to get his read now back into more of a promo structure. Visually, a lot of people who are storytellers, they're doing narration, doing commercials. The arc for that kind of a read is what I call a bell curve. There's rising and falling action. In promo and also trailer, it's a different structure to the read. It's more poetic, so that each line should be the same as every other line. It's like a circus ladder. And the reason that the story changes is because the words change, the thoughts change. But throughout, once again, this is like your yardstick. So what that does is it allows the sound bites and the music and the effects to really shine through because the performance isn't getting in the way. So what I want you to do, and it's going to feel very awkward, is every line exactly like every other line.
Good. You never set out knowing what the season will bring, how much it will cost, if it will pay. But every now and then you set out, and the air is so thick with promise. There's no denying, this is going to be the biggest season yet. Wicked Tuna, coming soon on the National Geographic Channel.
So he left us wanting more, rather than giving us too much. Thank you. Nice work.